Hi everyone, it's Lisa and Brett from Ida H2O Adventures, and we are at the Spokane Fairgrounds right now, and we're going to be enjoying the Good Guys Rod and Custom show this weekend. This is Friday. It runs Friday through Sunday, and we want you to come along this journey with us. So this is just the outside, the first parking lot, and I came across this 41 Chevy panel, which I have never seen before, but my first car was a 1941 Chevy Master Deluxe, which this is a Master Deluxe, and just brings back a lot of memories. That was pretty cool. And there's the air conditioning. That's the air conditioning of the day, but they did have an option where I think you could hang something out the window and had like put ice in it and it would draw air into the car. Pretty cool. They've got some drag cars here too. There's a funny car and a Top Fuel dragster. So I think that's a little bit of everything here. And this is the grass area. We're going to walk across it now. Got some original ones here too. It looks like a 66 hardtop. Lisa spotted this 53 Cadillac. It is nice. Beautiful color. Look at the paint job. Very, very good condition. Nice interior. Very nicely done. Now here's a 40 Master Deluxe Chevy, and the difference is that the way the headlights are and the little parking lights. That's how you can tell a 40 from a 41. Very similar lines though. Lots of assortment of vehicles. There's an old Dodge pickup. Don't see these very often.
Old Idaho potatoes.
Yeah.
Idaho 65. That's cool.
Nice license plate. That's Lisa's year.
That thing's a fossil. This one is a hot Bolero.
Some really nice vehicles here. It's a nice looking little Chevy, 31 Chevy. You don't see too many of those. It looks a lot like a Model A, but what a cool car.
Does it say what it is?
31 Chevy.
Colonial cream. Kind of like my nail polish.
And this poor little guy is out here all by himself, but what a nice looking Chevy truck. It's a 56. Nicely done. Very nice inside. Nice interior. The bed is immaculate. I don't think he hauls much in this. I like his hinges too for his tailgate. Those are cool. He did the Chevrolet nicely. Very nice vehicle. So we're just on the lawn section already. Beautiful cars that we're seeing. And this is a big blow up behind us. Good Guys, Rod and Custom. Welcome again. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Come enjoy it. This is a cool little 63 Ford Ranchero. Really straight. You can look down the side of it and it's just no ripple in it at all. It's got a little 289 in it with a C4 transmission, it says on the sign. Very clean. Like it. Yep. All kinds of them. We just noticed this. These are, I guess, coming in still, but there's a nice Corvette, 56 Chevy over that way. Got some nice Mustangs, Chevy trucks, Grand Prix. Yeah.
No, he had a Chevy.
So this one reminds me of my dad's Ford. This is a 37 Chevy. Got a nice little window in the side. Very nice. So this is an old either Ford or Mercury. Let's see what it is. 37 Ford Coupe. It's got a Chevy engine in it. Lisa liked this one. She said she liked the little race car thing. Nice interior. Of course redone, but very nice. He said it's under construction. It's cool looking. I like that. Gary, we thought you'd like this. It's a 59 Chevy Wagon. But man, look at the horsepower under the hood. LS1 Chevy engine. Oh, I like the gauges. Very cool. Very nice.
Thank you.
I like the gauges in the dash.
Happy birthday, Dad.
There's a cameo. So we came over to see this car just because we saw the big Roadrunner sticking out of the hood. But this is interesting. This is a 1970 Plymouth, and this is the actual car used in the factory advertisement, the Loved Bird. It was built on the very first day of production, and it was the 23rd car off the line on August 1st, 1969. It's also believed to be the first 446 pack Roadrunner built for 1970. Very cool. Very nice. Okay, Gary, I found a couple 57s. There's a turquoise and white one, and then there's a red and white one down there. I'll get to them separately, but this looks like a nice little row. We're gonna check it out. I'm gonna look at the tag, but I believe this is a 55 Thunderbird. Very clean. Oh, 56 T-Bird. Yeah, Lisa just pointed that out. The Schwinn bike in the back, matching colors. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
And then this is a 57 Chevy. It says 25,000 original miles. It says never been restored. So this is pretty cool.
Original padded dash. It says very rare.
Got the spare tire kit on the back. Very nice. Another nice 57. Just love the dashes in these things. So cool. So Gary, here's a 57 long roof station wagon. here's something you don't see very often. A Fiesta. Must be like a Pontiac or Buick or something. I'm not sure. Olds Fiesta. I think, Gary, you probably like this, huh? Sorry, just missed that, Gary. It's a 5-window Chevy. I didn't see what year, but it's from California. He's got a Coke cooler in the back. So the last project my dad ever did before he passed away was a 36 Ford Sedan, and this looks exactly like it. Same, his was a brandy wine with cherry wine fenders, but this just really reminds me of his car. It's for you, Dad.